Hi, today is 6/17 of 25, and this is Saintjerome of Crypto Experiences bringing you yet another crypto experience. Did you know you can get a free Goldback? I believe it's still going on from defythegrid.com. So I went to the goldbacks.com site and I found this and I said, I wonder if this is a real thing. So I received this in the mail and I crossed off the addresses, but DTG means defy the grid. And I did cheat just a little bit and I loosened up the seal, but I did not get in there yet. So let's see what they sent me for free, folks. Let's see. What do we have here? Whoa, they promised a Florida half Goldback. And there it is. Isn't it beautiful? That is, man, that thing is so shiny. The newest Goldbacks are like, I think, the best ones ever. They are so shiny and sharp. So here it is in my hand. Look at that. Let's see the back side. Wow. Now the newest ones, they're coming out Oklahoma, Arizona. I don't know if these do or not, but they have UV protection. You can shine a UV light and it tells you that it's legit or not. All right, let's see what they say in their that they have a little card. Owner is Coda Matiaco. Defy the Grid. There's his number and there's his address. And you get a coupon, Defy, for your next purchase. I do not know how much that will take off. And Defy the Grid gold and silver. Now, silver. One thing that's nice about Defy the Grid is you order, I think, $299. You get free shipping. And they do not have a surcharge for Goldbacks. A lot of other things have surcharges nowadays, like 3%. We went to a couple of restaurants lately, and it's like, if you didn't ask, you didn't know, it's cost 3%, so we pay with cash instead. So here is the inside. Came along with this. It says, welcome to Sound Money. Here's your first piece, free on us. The real gold note was sent to you by defythegrid.com, a family-owned gold and silver online shop that's been with Goldbacks ever since the beginning. We love Sound Money, and we love sharing it. Ready for more? For a limited time, use coupon Alpha at checkout and get for another free half Goldback with your first order. Wow! I did not know that. So defythegrid.com, Goldbacks, and then there's the phone number, support at Defy the Grid, and it's a small company. Coda pretty much answers everything himself there. Super fast shipping, great prices, will order again, and I would totally agree. I have used them several times. I like the charge card, and they have a nice fair price. You compare them to other people who sell Goldbacks. It's right up there, especially when you're saving any kind of surcharge over credit cards. If you go like some of the other ones like SD Bullion, which I like, and JM Bullion, which I like also, they have a surcharge for credit cards. So this was the unboxing. Here is the beautiful note, and you get another one of these. This is a half Goldback, and that is 1/2000th of an ounce of gold in there. They started now, Goldbacks have now upped the different denominations. They go now, they added a half, they added a 2, and they added 100. 100 is thick and it's 1/10 ounce of gold. So these bills or these notes are fungible, which means 2 halves equal 1 Goldback, 5 Goldbacks equal 5 1 Goldbacks equal a 5 Goldback, and they have the same amount as gold. 5 ones have the same amount as gold as a 5. So 25s have as much gold as 100. Totally fungible. The bigger the number on the bill, the more gold, and the bigger the bill. This is the smallest bill, but the art on the new bills are fantastic. Arizona and Oklahoma are next, and they're going to be this year, I'm hearing. We already have Utah, Nevada, Wyoming, South Dakota, New Hampshire, and Florida, and 2 more coming. Legal species tender in those states. But you know what? If you go on goldback.com, you can find all the places that will take Goldbacks in trade, purchase, and it is amazing. And if you use Goldbacks, you save a small % on your purchasing for people who participate. It is amazing. All right, this is Saintjerome of Crypto Experiences bringing yet another crypto experience. Goodbye.